Well, good morning. This is Old Guy on YouTube, and I'm trying to fix my S20 Ultra. The back glass on the camera is broken, as you can see. Let's see if we can see it in there pretty good. So we're going to attempt to fix this. I have watched YouTube. I've seen that replacing this shouldn't be that hard. You got a number of tools that you're going to need. There's an X-Acto knife, obviously a replacement screen, some wipes, some cleaner. Here's a set of tweezers. They're pretty sharp. And I got a protector when we're all said and done. Let's try this. We're going to heat up the back glass. And this is to loosen the adhesive that I'm sure is on there. Now it looks like there's a lip around it. And I don't think we want to take off that lip. But I think we want to get between the lip and the glass. Oh. This is either going to work or it's not. If it works, oh, fantastic. I will see. Oh. Looks like this is going to come off. Yeah, you still want to get the lip there. So this glass, I'm going to end up breaking this glass even worse. It looks like the bottom is where you want to start from. So you get under there. And maybe, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, blade came off. Now we start playing with the tweezers. We're going to make a mess. So I'm just going to start pulling. The adhesive doesn't look like it's want to loosen up real well. Let's put some more heat on that, see what happens. The thing with trying something new like this is, what's the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is I can't fix this by myself. And I take it down to the shop and pay some young kid to do it. So I can fix it by myself for 20 bucks. Because this thing, the glass was only $6 on Amazon, and the screen protector was maybe another $7 or $8. So I can either fix it or not. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh, so when the adhesive is nice and hot, that comes off really easy. Well, it seems to have cleaned up pretty good. All right, so then we got two things here. We got, looks like this is the old glass. Huh, what a bunch of junk. So we've got some wipes here, a wet wipe and a dry wipe. Wet wipe's nothing more than isopropyl alcohol. That's just to clean up around the edges. Oh, it's a little warm. We got a dry wipe. Let's put the dry wipe out. This isn't necessarily to dry, but okay. So it looks like that really wasn't all that bad. And it's free and clear, clean of dust. With some scratches on it where I hit it with the X-Acto knife, but you know what? That's not a big deal. So, anyway, and I'm looking at it, and there doesn't look like there's any problems. No scratches on the screen. Go back over with my wet. I'll clean this really good. So it looks like we have a sensor here. That's the flash. There's a microphone. Camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4. Light sensor. Alright, so we have our new glass here. Let's open this bad boy up and see what happens. Alright. So it's got the hologram in there that says 100 times zoom. That's a cool thing. Now it looks like this is just a peel and stick thing. Yeah, because there's our new backing. We're going to take this. It looks like it just drops into place. Well, son of a bitch. Look at that. Put some pressure on it. Not too much in one location, just even pressure throughout the whole thing. As if there was something underneath there, a little piece of glass or whatever, then it would break. I don't know what the hell that little piece is. Could be a piece of glass. Yeah, it looks like it's a piece of glass. Alright, and there's that. So what do we got here? This is going to be our screen protector. And it's a typical screen protector. Oh yeah, it comes with a self-adhesive label and all that stuff. Dust removal sticker. There's 2 of them in the pack. Let's see if I can find out which way goes up and down. Okay, so it looks like this white piece is the bottom. And I want you to take it off. And then we're just going to lay it on like so. Press it on and pull it off. Alright. So let's fire this bad boy up and see what happens. Well, see, that wasn't too hard. Yeah, I mean, I got this on a little crooked, but what do you expect for an old guy? I got a spare one if need be. That's something I'll fool around with later. So they sent me two how's the other glass? Oh, I guess I don't care. It's in my office. Alright, so got this powered up. You're not gonna see my pen. Okay. camera app. Look at that. I don't see any issues. It's pretty clear. I can zoom. Well, ain't that something? And there you have it. So don't send your phone off to what's his name, Samsung or anybody else for 20 bucks and some patience. I've got a nice fixed glass and I've got a screen protector on it. So there you go. So this has been, oh, unplug your tools when you're done. So this has been old guy on the internet fixing some stuff. Apparently I have to say something like, be sure to subscribe, because, you know, maybe I'll do another one of these, maybe I won't. Who the hell knows? Anyway, quit paying for shit you don't need to pay for, and fix it yourself.